everyone, so in this video I'm adding evergreens in my garden bed. So I was already having this garden bed and I'm gonna be just cleaning it up because where I live it snows a lot. So winters are really brutal here, like it snows a lot, and for like 4 or 5 months sometimes there are times when it stays covered in snow. So every year in summer it needs some fresh cleanup and some new plants. But this year I'm just adding just the evergreens, so that's so they stay there forever. It's gonna be a permanent garden bed. I'm not gonna be adding anything later on or anything. It's just one time garden bed, because evergreens will grow beautifully and they'll grow in big bushes. So after the cleanup I'll be adding some evergreens. Evergreens are from Home Depot. I paid like 9.98 per plant. So I spent near about like something like $70 or 75 for the plants, and I paid like $30 for the mulch and somewhere around $12 for the soil. And wheat fabric is from dollar store, so you can get it from dollar store. And you'll be needing like wheat protector cloth staplers as well, so you can get it from any store. So this is just a small DIY. It's not gonna look the best, but this is a small DIY which you can do it in your front yard or backyard. And especially if you live in the area where it snows a lot or the winters are harsh and plants don't survive, and perennials are the best options or bushes are the best option, this bed will really work for you. This garden bed and these bushes and these evergreens are gonna look really nice and beautiful, because where it snows evergreens are the best option, and it will make your home look really nice and beautiful, because evergreens survive all kind of weather. They survive snow without any problem and winter without any problems. So this is the best option, and you can add them in your front yard or backyard. So I gave you an overall budget how much I spent. So near about, by spending $130 or near about like 130 to 140 or maybe like 120, you can make this evergreen garden bed, and it is very easy to do it. And again I'm saying it's not gonna look very professional how the landscaping people do it, but this is just a home DIY. It's my creation, how I wanted to do it, and I'm just sharing how I did it. So hope you guys like the video, and if you have any questions or anything you can comment below. I'll definitely reply back. And again I'm saying that it's a little creation, like how we do it in our garden. I like planting trees, plants, shrubs and everything. So every year I spend a lot of time in my garden, in my front yard and backyard. But because it snows a lot, so it does require a lot of cleanup, and it does require a fresh that freshness. So I add some mulch every year. So this is a small DIY. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. And do watch this video till end so you can see the final look of my garden bed. The video is still on. Bye bye.